Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are down in another crawl space here in Ocean View, Delaware. And this was a referral for another crawl space that we've done for a realtor, and this is done for one of their neighbors. Now, this is a nice transformation. It was a normal crawl space that had open vents. Nothing too major in this one for the transformation. I mean, it looks amazing, but it didn't have as many drainage problems as most of these do. Anyways, we think you're going to absolutely love how this turned out, so let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, here we are in this encapsulated crawl space that we just finished up. So I'm really proud of our crews and the quality that they're producing. So here we go. There was no major drainage problems in this one, so we didn't have to put in a drain system. But we did put our HydroSeal vapor barrier. We've installed that on the walls, wrapped the columns, and we got that down on the ground. Again, this has great insulating properties. It handles radiant heat as well. It's got an amazing foam core layer inside of it. It just does phenomenal. Keeps the crawl space around anywhere from about 55 degrees to 65, depending on the season. So here you can see how well everything is installed. All the vents are sealed and they're air sealed nicely. But look how flat and beautiful this is. I mean, the grading is just absolutely perfect. That door down there, they have built a porch over top of it, so we have a mat there just in case anything changes when they first come in, but that access is no longer needed. Now, over there we're putting a custom access well on the outside right now. You can probably see the dirt over there. But that is the new access that we cut into the foundation wall, and we're putting a very customized system in over there. Anyways, look at the great workmanship our guys do. So we'll go through here. We did a mold remediation here. All the wood looks like new now. Take you right through here. It's a very good sized crawl space. Now over time, the moisture issues start making the insulation and the seams and everything fall apart on your HVAC system. So it allows more air to get inside. So you can see there's gaps and everything in here. This is what I mean when I put out the videos, that basically when the HVAC kicks on, it puts it under negative pressure and it pulls all the mold and stuff and all the nasty stuff that's in here, pulls it and goes into your duct system and then up into the living space. So you don't want that. Again, look how great the work looks. I'll try to through another way here. Everything is fully taken care of now. Just absolutely amazing work by our technicians. Special shout out to Melvin and Bradley. I mean, you guys just do absolutely phenomenal work, and I want to thank you on behalf of the customers and the company and me personally for your guys' quality and professionalism. Is greatly appreciated. I'm blessed to have you guys working for us. So, some HVAC work that eventually need to be done. That can be upgraded and make it a little bit better. But just look how beautiful that is. That is what an amazing encapsulation looks like. No more moisture problems. No more mold problems. Energy efficient. Sealed right. Done properly. Real moisture control specialist. We put out these videos because A lot of people are showing stock videos and trying to act like they're using manufacturers' photos as well, trying to say that they do work like us, but it doesn't even come close. We put out all of our videos so people actually see what our real work is. That way we let our workmanship actually sell the job, not a fancy salesman. Look how beautiful that is. You're not going to get that by going with the cheapest guy. There's guys out there putting out cheap ads saying they understand building science just because they went and got a quick certification. That's not the case. Call HydroHero for your crawl space encapsulations at 302-321-7077.